Professional employer organization, in short PEO, can drastically lower your business costs. Today, I will talk about two main categories where working with a PEO can save you money. I am Richard, the founder of the Holders Group PEO Brokers. I help thousands of companies to improve the health and efficiency of their business by finding the right professional employer organization for their needs. PEOs help reduce costs in two main categories: hard dollars and soft dollars. Let's talk about hard dollars first. Hard dollars are bottom line costs that can be easily measured. Hard dollar savings typically fall into four areas. The first one is employee benefits, which is a huge area with several components. We will talk about a few where a PEO cost savings mainly apply. One of the main components of employee benefits where PEOs primarily reduce costs is health insurance. Companies typically see this cost as the primary expense when running their business. We have very frequently seen this cost as the main reason for many companies to seek a professional employer organization relationship. PEOs, by virtue of their size, can implement their economies of scale to negotiate a better premiums with the carriers, which they pass on to their clients. Some clients have seen a reduction in their health insurance premiums upwards of 30%. This reduction in premiums is often accompanied with better coverage. By better coverage, I mean lower deductibles and co-insurance and a national coverage. Some of this reduction in premium also filters down to the employee level for whatever portion of the premium they pay. This is a win-win for both the employer and the employee. Health insurance policies have annual renewals. When renewing on your own, it is common to get a double-digit renewal on your premiums, where with a PEO, typically you will see single-digit renewals, hence decreasing your costs over time. Besides health insurance, PEOs will offer 401k coverage, which carry lower fees than you can get on your own. Professional employer organizations provide this as an enhanced service to their clients without adding any additional fees of their own. Also, working with a PEO gives you access to guaranteed group life insurance and disability that can further reduce rates, increasing the savings to both the employer and the employee. The second area of cost savings is workers' compensation, and for some companies, this is the primary cost. If your company is in the white-collar space, you will probably not notice a huge difference in premiums between your current workers' compensation costs and the costs under the PEO. On the other hand, if your company is in an industry classified as higher risk of workplace accidents, such as construction, transportation, or other non-office related fields, the difference in premiums can be substantially significant. Workers' compensation premiums are charged in percentages of salary as opposed to a fixed cost. What this means is that for every dollar that you spend on your employee's salary, an additional percentage of that salary is paid by you, the employer, to the workers' compensation carrier to cover that premium. Professional employer organizations who specialize in those industries can often lower a percentage of those premiums. We have easily seen double-digit savings just in workers' compensation premiums alone within the PEO umbrella. Important note: workers' compensation coverage is required by law. It is not optional, so there is no way to go around this cost. State unemployment is another area of employee benefits. Depending upon which state or states your company conducts business and your level of employees turnover, often the PEO state unemployment rates would be lower. Approximately 21 out of the 50 states in the US would require clients partnering with a PEO to use the state unemployment rate of the PEO. In most cases, this will provide a cost reduction. The fourth area where PEOs provide cost savings within employee benefits is Employment Practices Liability Insurance, or EPLI. Employment Practices Liability Insurance covers your legal expenses when an employee files a lawsuit alleging discrimination, wrongful termination, harassment, or other wrongful acts. It also provides funds for settlement costs, legal judgments, and additional administrative and other court costs. Many PEOs offer coverage for EPLI as a complementary or discounted cost. Some companies simply drop their current employment practices liability insurance costs when partnered with a PEO enhancing their savings. Other companies who don't currently have employment practices liability insurance get this much more prevalent coverage for free. Now that I have explained hard dollar costs, I will talk about soft dollar costs. Soft dollar costs are less easily measured compared to hard dollar costs, but also very significant, and for many companies, the significance is huge. Basically, soft dollar costs are the costs associated with performing all of the human resources or HR tasks internally. Small business leaders can spend up to 40% of their time handling the HR tasks. Many forget to ask themselves key questions such as, what is my time worth? And can my business hours be better spent on other business needs such as growth or outreach? Once this is analyzed, one can realize how beneficial the relationship with a professional employer organization is, as PEOs can dramatically decrease the time spent in HR administrative tasks while keeping your company fully compliant with HR labor laws and provide you with a peace of mind so you can focus on the core and growth of your business. As an example, PEOs will make sure that you're compliant with employee file maintenance and Social Security and I-9 verification, as well as keeping up with new regulations at the local, state, and federal levels. And this is just a very small part of what PEOs help you with under HR support. Ultimately, the costs of hiring a professional employer organization to handle your business's administrative needs are often less than the cost of performing these services independently. So the bottom line of this video is the right PEO can save you both time and money. If you would like to learn about how to find the right PEO for your business, watch my video, How to Identify the Right PEO, next. I would strongly recommend using a PEO broker service. This service is free to you. A well-established PEO broker, like myself, will provide you with more professional employer organization options that fit your business needs, better rates, less hassle and forms, and expedite the process. If you would like my company to help you find the right PEO for your business anywhere in the US, simply visit our website, fill out the contact form to get started. The link to the website and the form are in the video description. If you have any questions, please let me know in the comments below. Click like if you found this video helpful, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel and turn the notifications on. Have a great day and see you soon.